So now the third one, that is rolling friction. Okay, as we have learned about static friction and sliding friction, so rolling, as the name suggests, that something is actually rolls over a surface. So it's a kind of frictional force that when an object is actually rolls over another surface. Okay, and see here again it is actually compared to the sliding friction is much more easier to roll over the thing, as you need to like slide a box. It's a heavy box, it's a wooden box, let's suppose, and you need to make it move from one point to another point. So you need to get a force here, lots of force here, because the surface of the sliding box is more in contact with the surface of the ground. And here in rolling case, because the roll is for the round surface, so that much of portion is only in contact with the surface at a time. That is why we can say that here is the less contact, so rolling friction is actually less than compared to the other two, that is sliding and static. So students, now let us see the brief distinguish between the all static, sliding and rolling friction together. So here is a chart in front of you that shows that static is always keep the object at rest position, and sliding is always slide over the surface, and rolling is actually roll over the surface. Okay, now static friction is the highest in magnitude, sliding is actually lower than the static but higher than the rolling friction, and rolling is actually the lowest one.